And truthfully, you walk into some situations and you ask the question, how can I serve? I was raised in a large military family, and growing up, my parents told me we live in the best country in the world, and the price to live in this country is service. And so the question was, how do I serve and how do I give back? And so if a governor said to me, I need you to serve here, I tried to get to yes.
Okay.
And I was really pleased to be able to do that for 3 governors, both parties, and 2 state boards, and become chair of those boards, and had a great time doing it, to be honest.
And the
Yeah.
first ever African American
First ever person
female.
of color to
Okay.
serve as a chair, elected chair in Virginia's history.
And excuse me, say that again?
The first ever person of color to
Right.
serve as elected chair in Virginia's history.
See, I
Now, I will say, I say that, and I say that with a complete understanding that no one gets to that point by themselves. I got there because people whose names I will never know fought fights that I will never have to fight, and because of them, I stand on their shoulders.